To knit in beads, you first need to thread them onto the yarn. There's a very easy way to do this using a fine sewing needle and thread. First of all, thread up the needle, bring the two ends together of the thread and knot them securely to create a loop. Then poke the end of the yarn through the loop. Just pull the yarn through so it's doubled over for a few inches, and then take your beads and you can thread on several at a time. You let the beads fall down the thread, you push them onto the yarn, I always keep one bead on the doubled up yarn to stop the yarn from slipping out of the loop, and when they're all threaded on you can push them all down towards the ball. Remove the needle and thread, and then you're ready to cast on. It's a good idea to keep a needle threaded up in your sewing bag so that you can use this over and over again as and when needed.